Look, if you own property in Kaufman County, Texas, you already know that managing your local taxes is a massive responsibility. But let's be totally honest here, it really shouldn't feel like a part-time job, right? Let's dive into this explainer and completely transform how you handle your local civic duties.
Are you absolutely tired of waiting in those endless lines at the tax office? Or maybe you're stressing out over postal delays and potentially missing a deadline. We all know that universal anxiety of tax season, sitting there wondering if your check actually made it in the mail before the penalties hit. Well, today we are going to eliminate that stress entirely with a highly secure digital solution that you can use right from your couch.
Okay, here is our agenda for today. We'll be covering 1. The online tax solution. 2. Understanding Kaufman County taxes. 3. Preparation for online payment. 4. The step-by-step guide. 5. Security and troubleshooting tips. And finally, 6. Final takeaways and disclaimer.
Section 1. The Online Tax Solution. Convenience at your fingertips.
Just imagine paying your property taxes in a few clicks from the comfort of your home. Seriously, this isn't just a dream, it is an efficient, highly secure reality offered directly by the Kaufman County Tax Office to save you time and, honestly, your peace of mind. No more driving across town, hunting for parking, and standing in the slow-moving line.
Section 2. Understanding Kaufman County taxes. Who does what?
Before we go pushing any buttons, we really need to clear up a very common misconception. There is a clear split in how this works. The Kaufman Central Appraisal District, they determine your taxable market value and process your statutory exemptions. They value your home. On the flip side, the Kaufman County Tax Assessor Collector consolidates the billing, collects the payments, and disperses those funds to local entities. So the tax assessor doesn't actually set your property value, they literally just collect the bill.
And why does this matter? Well, while paying taxes isn't exactly a fun hobby, it literally is the financial engine that keeps your local Kaufman County community running safely and smoothly. Your payments directly fund local K-12 schools, road and bridge maintenance, and vital emergency services. It is your local money staying local.
Section 3. Preparation for online payment. Gathering your tools.
Just like any good recipe, we need to gather our ingredients before we start cooking in the online portal. Having this stuff ready is the absolute secret to a seamless checkout. You will need your current property tax statement and your property ID, geographic ID, or owner name. Want to use an e-check? Have your bank routing and checking account number ready. Prefer plastic? Grab your credit or debit card. Having these sitting right in front of you prevents those super annoying system timeouts while you're scrambling to find your wallet.
Okay, pay close attention here, because this is the absolute most important number you need today. Bureau Code 5499044. I'll say it again, 5499044. When you enter the payment gateway, this exact code is strictly required to route your money to the right place. Seriously, write it down, highlight it, or just put it in your phone. Section 4. The step-by-step guide executing your payment.
Here are the 4 straightforward steps to bypass those physical lines in minutes. Step 1. Navigate to the official Kaufman County Tax Assessor website. Step 2. Access the GDS Texas Payments Console to verify your exact balance. Step 3. Enter Bureau Code 5499044 into the Certified Payments Gateway. And Step 4. Input your property details, choose your payment method, and confirm. It really is that easy.
But before you finalize that payment, let's talk about the cost of convenience. An e-check, or ACH payment, is often completely free with no additional convenience fees. That is a real money saver. Conversely, a credit or debit card payment is subject to third-party convenience processing fees, which typically run around 2.3%. Now, on a sizable tax bill, 2.3% adds up incredibly fast. So the e-check is definitely a fantastic, cost-effective option.
Okay, stop. Once you click Submit, do not close your browser. You absolutely must wait for the system-generated confirmation receipt number and print or save that page for your permanent records. This confirmation number is your absolute, indisputable proof of payment. And what's really cool is the GDS Texas Payments portal will maintain a rolling 5-year history of these receipts for you, just in case you ever need to look back.
Section 5. Security and troubleshooting tips. Your safety net.
If you're worried about hackers or technical glitches, don't be. Kaufman County uses certified payments. What is that? It's a strictly PCI-compliant secure gateway that processes real-time transactions for thousands of municipal and county government operations. Basically, your sensitive financial data is heavily encrypted and locked down tight.
But what if your internet drops, or you just hate using computers? You are not out of luck. You can always call this automated fallback number 1-877-253-0150. Just punch in your property details and that magic bureau code 5499044 to pay securely over the phone.
To guarantee a flawless experience, keep these pro tips in mind. Verify the web address starts with HTTPS and shows a little padlock icon. Definitely avoid using unsecured public Wi-Fi networks when making payments. No coffee shop tax payments, please. Also, opt in for digital e-statements to eliminate postal service delays entirely. And if you encounter any account discrepancies, just shoot an email to kaufmantaxassessor@kaufmancounty.net. Implementing these simple security hygiene habits keeps you in total control.
Section 6. Final takeaways and disclaimer. Wrapping it up.
Let's do a quick explainer recap. Ditch the lines and pay from home via the secure, certified payments gateway. Have your property ID and payment details ready before starting. Always remember Bureau Code 5499044. And save your confirmation number as proof of your transaction. This portal literally transforms a stressful chore into a minor 5-minute errand.
Now, for a quick disclaimer, the information provided in this explainer is for educational purposes only. Always verify current procedures, fees, and deadlines directly with official Kaufman County resources. Policies can update, so rely on the official tax assessor's website as your ultimate source of truth.
So, are you ready to skip the courthouse lines, save your valuable time, and share this digital shortcut with your Kaufman County neighbors? Grab that e-check and get it done today. It really leaves us with a bigger question, though. As our local governments continue to digitize, how much more of our civic lives will soon be managed right from the comfort of our couches? Thanks for joining me for this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.